Tilt Trading, and this is the live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Up today we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin got my attention setting up here on the daily chart. I was looking at, we had a long weekend, so this was Saturday, Sunday, and Monday right here. What I'm looking at for a trade is here, Friday. So this Friday candle here, basically my trading system focuses on liquidity rates. So from a day-to-day basis, targeting liquidity off the daily chart. So here, this candle here, looking at the price action, I usually make a decision on directional bias off of the 60-minute chart, the 1-hour chart. We'll go to that next. But looking at the high and the low of the previous trading day, and I'm counting this as Friday as the last trading day with institutional participation right here. So again, this is Saturday, Sunday, the long weekend Monday, and now we are here in this candle here on Tuesday and targeting the liquidity above this Friday high right here. We'll go over to the 60-minute chart, the hourly chart here. This we can see that there was a sell-off here, and then there was a market structure shift back to the long side here this morning. And then this is a Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll move it. So we can see here, this is the current structure here on the 60-minute chart. This is the current strong low. This was the this was the week high. Now it looks like we're headed towards a potential break of structure here on the hourly. If this candle here is able to close above this candle here, which was the previous or current week high, we need this candle to close before we can get a confirmation on that break of structure. But this is a potential break of structure here on the 60-minute chart. But as price action was coming into this morning, so you wouldn't see any of these things. So let's slide the chart over here. So you'd be looking at something, or this is what I was looking at this morning before taking a position or putting a limit order out. This is basically what I'm seeing on the 60-minute. So to me, this is a bullish pattern. So we have this downtrend here, and then we have this market structure shift here. And then, so basically what I'm seeing here is strength. And I want to take that strength long into this liquidity raid here. So on the 60-minute, if I'm seeing strength, I'll either target the previous day's high, or if there's a breakout above the previous day, then I want to target it. If it's looking weak on the 60-minute before my trade time starts, then I'll look for shorts and to attack liquidity at the lower end of the previous day's range or day before potentially. But then we can see here on the 60-minute, actually the 60-minute never, I had the retracement tool up here, the Fibonacci retracement tool, but never came down into an area of discount for a buy here, and it would have to pull back quite far in order to do that. So I wound up coming up here on the 15-minute, which I would prefer to take my entries off of. We'll come up and we can see this was before the trade entry. I'll take this off for now, and then we'll come back and have a look. But this is what I'm looking at pre-trade here. So if we look at this here, this was the previous strong low, and this here was the previous week high. We get this sell-off here. We find support. Now this is this was at the time of the entry the strong low, and this was the week high up here, because this created a break of structure up here from this previous level down here. So this created a break of structure, and this is what I set the Fibonacci retracement tool off of to set a limit order for entry here. And I'll set it back up, and now we'll come in a little closer here. With this, my Fibonacci was 109,554.2, and with the price action was aggressive, coming down into my order, and I wound up getting filled lower at 109,550.4. So a better price than at this 0.62 level, or 62% level. And then we can see here I get an entry, or this is before I actually take the trade. So I have a particular time span that I want to take a trade between 8:30 and 11 New York time. So this was too early for me to take a position here, because this is before my time window. So then we can see the price travels back closer to try to test, or potentially trying to test the week high here, and then pulls back. And this is the pullback that I was mentioning that caused triggered my entry, my limit entry right here. And we can see we've been buying pretty steadily since this entry candle here, and this is at 6:30. So in the 6:30 candle, able to take an entry here, and then we're able to get some expansion here. You can see a bit more clearly on the 60-minute. We're getting pretty nice expansion in this candle here on the 60-minute. But this is my first day bringing this system into full practice. I kicked a few trades around yesterday, which was the Monday holiday. Not a good idea without any institutional backing, but was able to get a feel for this system a little more. And today, what I was able to glean or understand from yesterday's attempts was helpful in helping me to get into this position in Bitcoin today. And then you can see I think I'm about maybe halfway to target right now. I'll pull up my stop here. So you can see my stop loss is, I believe there was a 10-cent spread on Bitcoin. Here, this is the low of this entry candle is here, but my stop, actually my stop would be based off of this low here. Yes, this low here. So this low here is 109.3669, and then with the 10-cent spread, so I gave this 20 cents below this candle here. So my stop is 109.3667, and then target will come over here on the 60. Let's see if we can find it on the 60-minute here. All right, target here is the 60-minute. This is Friday high. This take profit line here, may be able to see it. The daily is going to be tricky because there's a high flag there. But this is Friday's high, this red line right here. So that's where I would be looking to take profit if this liquidity up here is swept. But overall, seeing buying into the market this morning, was also looking at a handful of, I think 3 other currency pairs, Ethereum, Ripple, and Solana, and they're all showing strength. So I would say market-wise or market-wide, looking at buying today. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. Hopefully we'll get some continuation and go to target. If not, then I will be watching structure on the 15-minute chart and take an exit if the signal comes up. But hopefully we can push towards target before the close of today. But this is what I'm seeing market today. This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. We'll see you next time.